It's November the 7th. Things are really starting to heat up here in Missouri. And I got two brothers again in the stand. Last time it didn't work very well, but looking for better things this morning. We're kind of in a doe bedding area and a pinch point, so we've kind of got the best of both worlds in this stand. So hopefully they'll be cruising through here. Got about a half-cut cornfield over our back shoulder. Looks really good near this. One of my favorite stands for in the morning, so should be good. I think he's legal. Barely. Probably that's where you're supposed to be watching. I wasn't watching. Stole my view. I don't know where the bigger one went. Nice buck here, about 100 yards. He looks like a big 8. I'm just trying to decide if I'm gonna shoot him or not. He's nice. He's right there. So let's try this again, Brian. I'm just trying to stay out of the way here. Deer's right behind me, so I can't really see much. But I'm trying to convince Shane to shoot this deer. You better get your bow ready just in case. He's probably, I don't know, he's right there. I better shoot that joker. Yeah, I'd shoot him.
right there, okay?
No, just...
You on him?
Yeah, I'm on him.
Got him.
Yep. That's a dead deer. That deer's dead.
He's right there still. He's gonna go down right there. That deer's hammered. He's a touch back. He was quartered to it. That deer's dead. I was trying to avoid that front shoulder and he was quartered to us just a touch. I mean, he's right there. I don't like that he's not going down. I was worried he was going to get too far this way for you. He's hurting, but I might have got one long lever. Oh, he's going down right there.
Oh, yeah.
He's getting wobbly. He's holding it together pretty good, though. But yeah, I can't believe it.
Wait, Sater.
He's still,
That's a nice deer, man.
he's still standing there, though. He's a little shaky, though. Oh, he's giving up the ghost right now. Oh, yeah, he's wobbly.
Bam! There he went, right there. I can't believe it. I'm 90% sure he did.
Can't believe it. We just did it. Good work, Shader.
3 in a tree.
3 in a tree. Getting her done.
We did revolutionize the filming industry.
You need 2 cameramen, 1 bow.
Did you get anything there?
Let's not talk about it.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, you're the man.
Tired of waiting on you women. Oh, that's my arrow.
Yep.
That little jerk did break my arrow.
Turn off.
It's not like I killed him, but seriously.
Yeah.
$15.
I think you had the better end of that deal.
I think he's bigger than we thought.
He's stud, isn't he?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that stud.
Yeah, he's a bit bigger than I thought. Oh my goodness. Look at all the trash he's got. That is an old deer. He's got one broken tine here. Wow.
Dude, that's awesome. That's a stud of a deer.
And I was really debating on shooting him. I'm glad I shot him.
Yeah, I am too.
Look at that guy. Look at the bases on that guy.
awesome.
He's not going to score terrible just because of the stinking mass. Wow. Big brows.
That's sweet.
Yeah, when he got in close, I'm like, because I was ready to call you off. I thought you needed to be called off, but I was like, that's a big deer.
When I got him in his binocs and he got to 40 and I started seeing some stickers, and I knew he had good mass. I was like,
his
I need
threes were better, boy.
I need to shoot that guy. I didn't almost shoot him because his twos are so short and there's threes, but
It's a big deer, though.
that is a stud of a deer.
Nice job, Tanner.
Wowzers.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Well, this is the results. This big old deer. He's not going to score a ton, but man, what an awesome hunt. And getting to experience that with two brothers in the tree, all three of us. You know, we're only missing one brother, but he's at work. Bummer for him. And I just can't but thank God for this, man. What an opportunity just to be out in his creation that he gave us to enjoy. The stars on the way in were just amazing. We got to enjoy those. His creation is just unbelievable. And this is just some of the things that he gives us to enjoy. And I got to be thankful for that. And some awesome brothers to sit in the tree with me.